It's nothing new in the shop really, but frickin' there's my mower, my new one. Frickin' God pissed all over it. Yeah. Aw, look at it, just pissing on my nice clean floor. So we got Nikki laying up on the workbench here, and we're gonna tear her bowl off. All you gotta do is unscrew the electric solenoid. Get the electric solenoid out, you're gonna have some gas, so. Oh, beg my pardon, no gas. Just barely any. Gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. So I was starting to tear his carburetor apart, and I said, hey, it's the perfect time to educate you guys on how I rebuild a carburetor. So yeah, so we are gonna start off here with the older, one piece. This is your 70s and 80s carburetor off the old flathead. So that's what they look like, and we'll tear it apart here. We'll show you the next one here. Next one is the 90s style carburetor. Has plastic bowl, not plastic bowl, plastic float and all that good stuff. It's a pretty good carburetor. It's called two-piece. And then the newest one is a two-piece, but has the low electric solenoid. So yeah. Then I had another carburetor laying around for I think this originally came off of the 19 horsepower opposed twin. So these are opposed twin carburetors. Okay, so just remove this off. Ain't nothing to it. There's a little bit of junk down at the bottom, not too much, but it takes that little bit. Take your spring off real carefully. Now where's your junk is going to build up is right here, which I can see. There's like a little piece of grass. So this leads you to right there on, that's the gas intake right there. So yeah. So when cleaning this, you want to get some carburetor cleaner, blow it all off, and get it cleaned up real nice. Like I said, the inside counts, the outside doesn't, but if you have extra, you might as well get her clean, make her look good. So yeah. Half-inch wrench, yeah. Break off that bottom nut. Do not take that set screw out. I repeat, do not. Okay, then you just pull the bowl right off. Sometimes you can reuse your gasket, sometimes you can't. This has a brass bowl. Yeah. Be careful you don't lose your needle. See it hanging? It's hanging. Yeah. Look at dirt and crud in that. Look at that. Yeah. There's your main jet right here. Well, I shouldn't say jet, but where your gas come in at. Make sure that's all nice clean. Take that out, make sure it's all clean up in there where the jet and everything is. And yeah, it'll run real good. This carb I already kind of described to you. This is your float. It's a pretty big float. And it just goes right in there. Right here's your tall path. It bolts on like that. And you have your choochifier in there where it chooches the gas out. Right here's your diaphragm. Yeah. Bolt that right on there just like that. And you'll be chooching along like a chicken chong movie. If I could add my 2 cents into it, all carburetors, I'd get this one. Because this is my most favorite carburetor. This one is a Walbro. They're a pretty common name. They're a really good carburetor. Like, you don't have the solenoid there at bottom, but I want the stock carburetor for that engine, for that 14.5, even though that one would work. So yeah, we're going to stab this back on, see if she runs. Don't know if there's enough gas. So before I put the carb back on, we're going to put new gas line. Yeah, my new one. These bolts will hold the carburetor on. Tighten down finger tight. And you can either use a 15/16 wrench or 8mm to tighten them up. Either one you prefer. If you have the 2-piece carburetor. Alright, and we'll see you when we get everything hooked up. Yeah, choo-choo. Okay, tubers, so you want to learn something. I put gas in it and it filled completely the whole way up. But if you want to learn something, you leave your carburetor dry. Press down on the tank like that. Do it one more time. And you see the gas flowing? Now you don't gotta prime your carburetor because you already did. For frick's sakes. Okay, now we're gonna fire her up.
Okay, kids, so here's number 2.
Sounds like a beat. Oh, you hear that? Oh, she's the whole way down, still running. How about her? She's nice and clean. Got nice fresh gas. New line. Yeah. Well, that's today's video, and till next time, keep on shitting out your ass.